art friends, today we're going to draw a cute cupcake together to celebrate Valentine's Day. I'll first show you step by step how to draw the shape of the cupcake, and then I'll show you my coloring techniques. And finally, I use a white acrylic marker to give the cupcake some highlights. Now let's get started. So we'll first start by drawing the base of the cupcake. So I'm going to draw a slightly angled line. It goes down, and then let's draw a horizontal line for the base. And now I'm gonna draw this point across just to give myself a point. And I'm going to connect this point with that point with an angled line. So now let's draw the cupcake, the top part. So I'm going to draw a curved line on each side. And then I'm going to connect the two by drawing a wavy line there. From there, let's draw another curved line that goes up. And I'm going to bring it towards the center. Another layer that goes up there. But we are not closing all the way at the top yet because I am going to add a heart shape for Valentine's Day. There, so that's our cupcake, and I'm going to draw a cute face at the top. So for now, I'm gonna just shade in the eye, but then I do have a white acrylic pen that I can use to add some highlights later. You can also use a white gel pen for the highlight, or if you don't have a white gel pen, you can always not shade in the whole eye, just leave a small circle with white. And I'm going to draw a cute smile and cap it off at both ends. There, and I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. So, 2 circles. And a cute smile. There. Now I'm going to draw some straight lines. There. So now I'm going to color it. I'm going to use a lighter pink color to color the top of the cupcake, and then I'm going to use darker shade of pink to color the outside edge of the cupcake. And that is how to draw a Valentine's cupcake. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and happy Valentine's Day!